AP, and welcome again to the show. It's been a great set of trading days. I think your Slack channel has been doing really, really well. How good evening, and tell us, the great thing, the great trade that happened today or in the last few days, I guess.
Yeah, thank you for having me, Deepak. The trade which I wanted to highlight now was the Tata Steel call option.
Got it.
If you see the long-term hourly chart of Tata Steel cash, which is on the screen right now, it has been in a downtrend forever in the last 3 months.
Wow.
But towards the end of June and beginning of July, end of July and beginning of August, it started showing some bottoming signs near 245, 246. If you see the cash chart, it has shown a double bottom in July as well as August so far around 245. And same thing you can see on the futures chart around the same levels, double bottom around 245, 246. So this was in the first couple of days in August where I got attracted towards this chart. Then I decided to keep a watch on the options charts, whether that gives any indication. If you see, typically a bottom is formed or a top is formed after comes some kind of sideways move or some volatility. And if you see, it was highly volatile between 245 and 255 on the cash chart here, which is highlighted in pink
Got it.
for the next for almost 1 week or so. And then yesterday, late in the afternoon, I think after 2:30, it suddenly broke out. And there were two ways a trade could have been taken. This is the cash chart which broke out after 2:30. That is number one. I'll show you the futures chart, which is this chart. So if you see 255 was the previous high here, which got crossed around 2:30 in the afternoon yesterday. So either that was one trigger to take an option call, or if you, for some aggressive players, especially I do it all the time. Since the bottom was being formed, there was no harm in taking a small position in the option call, which was 260. I'll show you that chart also.
Awesome.
260 call near 6 rupees, and the stop loss was very close, which was below 245 cash. So you could have lost only about 1 or 1.5 rupees per lot in a Tata Steel 260 call. Now, if you see the 260 call, now Tata Steel suddenly shot up from, if you see the cash chart, it shot up from 255, sorry, 246, then it crossed 255, and then it went all the way to, this is futures, 269, which was yesterday morning.
Got it.
And if you see the cash chart, it went and hit almost 269. If you see this horizontal line, red line which I have drawn,
Hmm.
that was a previous low which is slightly below 269 cash. This is not there in the futures chart because that is the one problem which people face. Who there are a lot of people who trade only on the basis of futures charts and they don't have access to cash data.
Got
So
it.
the cash data here gave a clue that there can be resistance for Tata Steel around 269 cash. So this was the cash chart which that red line which showed a resistance around 269, and that's why futures also halted there yesterday. And if you see the 260 call, this is the hourly chart of the call which gave a breakout above 7.5. But if, as I said, any aggressive trader could have bought it at 6 also. And when cash hit 269, this call had gone to almost 15, which was something like 6 to 15 in not even 24 hours, almost 2.5 times. So this was a
Amazing.
trade. So it was a doubler, more than that in just one day, and sell and wait maybe for a retracement, because I personally feel Tata Steel might do much more. For a conservative trader, a close above 269. For an aggressive trader, find look for some other bottoming out now, because if 255 was a previous breakout level on futures, which I showed here,
Yes.
maybe a retest of that. This is a chart only till yesterday. Today's data has not been updated, but it came very close. I think today's low was near 257. So maybe somewhere around 255, 256 tomorrow or day after, that might be a good place to again enter a option call, maybe 260 itself.
Or maybe 27, or would you say the 270?
Yeah, 270 also is fine. Yeah, 270 also is fine, because this time it should cross 269 and then maybe go beyond 275. So yes, you're right. The trade can be within the profits of the 260 call. So any call option which you get below 7 rupees, so there is no risk. You are not going
Correct.
to lose anything in that trade,
Correct.
even if it goes to zero.
And still your stop loss would be 245.
Close below 255 is the stop loss. 245 is quite far off now. So
Got it.
the breakout level was 255. So anything below that, you can exit the call.
Excellent, excellent. No, this is great. This is great because I mean, essentially, what you've done is said that there is a bottoming out in the cash and futures charts, and
Yes.
then took the option instead of risking the future with a substantially smaller stop loss, and the returns have been 5x or 4, I think 2.5x now. 6
Two and
went
a half.
to 15. So two and a
Right.
half times. So that's an amazing, and it's a lot size of 1,000. So at two lots, you're talking about a return of about 18,000 rupees for an investment of 12,000. So
Yeah, that's right.
that's 150% in 2 days. That's awesome. That's awesome. Do
Yeah.
do these patterns occur often, or do you see them like only once in a while in some stocks which have been beaten up a lot?
This is one pattern which was in a bottoming out stock. Last week we saw a pattern in a topping out stock. If you remember the HPCL trade which we talked
Yes,
about.
yes,
That
yes.
also, if you remember, the 940 put went from I think 7 to 22. Again, in fact, that was in a couple of hours.
Correct, correct. Similar, and I remember you had mentioned exactly the same thing. At that time, we used the PCR, but did the
Yes,
PCR? I think we are too far away right now to trade the PCR, right?
exactly. This is too early in the expiry to talk about PCR and to keep watch on the PCR. So that I have not seen in this. This was just following the chart of the futures, the call and the cash. That's
The
all.
cash. That's brilliant. Great. I think this is fantastic. Great learning, great trading, and hopefully a lot more trades to come.
Yeah, yeah, sure. They
Great.
keep you keep getting trades almost every second or third day like this.
Opportunity never stops knocking, man. It's
Absolutely.
great. Thanks, AP. Great to have you on the show. We'll do
Perfect.
another round with the next big trade.
Sure, sure.
Great. Thanks. Thanks. Bye bye.
Okay.